Namaste. Welcome to Fit Food and Yoga channel. Today I am going to show you some basic warm-up exercises which you should practice before starting yoga. Let us start our warm-up practice. With a smile on your face, your shoulders straight, sit in Dandasana. First, we are going to do clinching. 5 rounds of clinching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clenching your feet and your palms. Now we are going to do flexion of the palms and the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to do the rotation of the palms and the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly we are going to do the knee rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to rotate the entire leg. Take the support of your hands if required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure your knees are straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to do Baddha Konasana. Sit straight, shoulders straight, and flap your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the same position, place one palm on your right hand and flap just your left leg. Keep it close to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now place the left hand on your thighs and flip the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly straighten both your legs. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to warm up shoulders. Keep your hands like this. First, in and out. Make sure your shoulder is straight, your neck is straight, and your back is straight. Engage your core muscles as well. In, out. In, 2, 3, 4, maximum out, 5. Now we are going to do up and down movements of the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to do the rotation of the shoulders like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly relax your hands. Feel the blood flow throughout the body. Slowly we are going to do the neck movements. Your shoulders straight, your neck straight. Close your eyes if required. Up and down movements of the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes. These are the warm-up practices which you should do before starting the yoga practice. Be happy, stay healthy. Thank you.